You remember Need for Speed Most Wanted, right? The Blacklist, the cars, the cops, the chaos. But what if I brought all 15 Blacklist cars into Need for Speed Heat and Forza Horizon 5? So here's what I'm doing. I'm taking every single Blacklist car from Sony to Razer and rebuilding them. We will match the style, color, performance, and maybe even test them on the streets. Let's do it. Let's start with Blacklist number 15, Sony, and his Volkswagen GTI. Here is what his car looked like in 2005. And here's how I rebuilt it in 2025. It's become really tough to get in. You have to find exact. Oh, yeah, I found it. See? How does it look like? I will try to close the door. Perfect. And then I will try to make it. Next up, Vic, with the legendary Toyota Supra. It's a simple, clean, and very early 2000s style. Here is what his car looked like in 2005. Here's how I rebuilt in 2025. Fuck, it's right seat. I did it. Close this door? Yeah. Then open the other door. And you know, guys, how it's tough and oh no, it's perfect. Make it sound, make it engine. Don't close it. I want to get out. Oh yeah. That's how the cars look like now. Guys, I couldn't find the exact one design for that big car, so that's why I made it by myself. But later on, guys, on the next videos, on the upcoming videos, I'm gonna make another car for the Toyota Supra. You will guys recognize it immediately. So just check. No. Sorry, guys, I'm sorry. The next one, Izzy's RX-8, is one of my favorites, bright red, triple vinyl, and pure chaos. Here is what her car looked like in 2005. And here, how I rebuilt it in 2025. So here you are, how the car is looked like in 2025. I rebuilt almost everything. Some of them is still there. I cannot find it because there is no information about that. Any updates, nothing about that also. As you can see, guys, that's how the car is. Let's have a check at the engine. Now I already learned how to close, how to get into the car. Make it the car engine. I bought it only on the stock system without any updates, just only visual updates, that's it. Nice. Perfect. Now let's take all of them for a spin. Volkswagen GTI, without any updates, any completes, anything. Just the stock one. Let's check. That's how the cars look like. When I was playing in the young, Heat for Speed Most Wanted, it was like off something. Now as you can see, guys, we are in Mexico. We are driving the car. Need for Speed was on. Just imagine when you were young, there would be someone say that Need for Speed is gonna be in the Mexico in the 2025. They already made the remake one, but I cannot find it. I cannot download to the PlayStation 5. So this the car, how is the look like? How is it driving in stock one? Now I will try to make it in the same class, but a little faster, a little more aggressive. Now let me get just to the hole. Let me take like this one. Yeah, now it's perfect. You see, you hear the sound, right? And now you will feel the difference between the stock one and the updated one. I passed this. Now this matters. The Forza Horizon 5 you can find a lot of cars, a lot. But some of them they cannot update it one. So that's why I passed the 14 one, the Mitsubishi Eclipse one. Because I cannot find it. It was difficult to find. I couldn't find it. It was difficult to me. So let's make an upgrade to this car. All the latest versions. $683. Now if you only made war, it will become more. 690. Let me check this one. No. 698. Now it's becoming more again. So I think we will update for the... No. We can find that we can make it until 700. If more, it's becoming in the class more. Yeah, it's becoming in the class more. So I'll check another one. Yeah, if I will make more, it's becoming the class more. Okay. So it's the latest one that I can upgrade. I think we will upgrade for the higher class. Yeah, I think we will update for the higher class. Yeah, it's fine. We will update it, upgrade it for the higher class. And this one also? Yeah. That one. 736. 760. I will try it until the last one. Let me check the system. Because some of them they are making. Okay. Yes, that's it. The next one is the brake. Yeah, I'm updating it until the end. How much we can make it, I want to show. That's the second. Also, if you're updating, you have to read it, everything. So when you will drive to the sprint or races, you will not lose the control for the car. So that's why you find the perfect. No, it's becoming more again. Yes. Yeah, this one. 98. Yeah, this one. This one. I can see the difference. So this one I'm trying to make it until the end, until the last one. So we will not make it against one more higher class. It's yeah. All of them they making the class higher. Okay, we will make the same as this. Yeah, see the difference. So we can just leave it. And now I don't remember, guys, the wheels, how it look like, so that's why I will put it what I love most. And then the settings, I already put it. When I was doing it, I checked everything inside, how it look like in exact version, in the old version. So that's why I'm just leaving it like this. And this one I will not even touch it, because to make lower or even higher as we are expecting. Oh my goodness. It's becoming bigger and it's becoming perfect, but all the upgrades that we did, it's becoming low. Yeah, so just that's why I will just leave it like this. I'm putting it, reading it. That's it. Put it. We will now check. Now just listen the new one. Oh, perfect. Perfect as it is. Now I will try. Yeah, it's becoming faster and the sound of the engine, it's different. Yeah, totally, completely different. Now I will check the control. How is that controlling the car? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. It's becoming a little bit tough, but it's fine. But yeah, it's becoming really faster. Yeah, this car is becoming really fast. Oh, even the drift is becoming perfect. Even on roads, also perfect. Yeah, it's become perfect. It's become really perfect. I'm so sorry, guys, for that one. Let's get in the house. So as you can see in the... So guys, why I put NFC Heat? Because some of the cars I can find in NFC Heat, Need for Speed Heat, but I cannot find here in the Forza Horizon 5. So that's why I put two totally different Need for Speed racing games. That's it. Now is the next one. So guys, now we check already number 15. As I told you, number 14 I cannot find. Now it's number 13, big, legendary Toyota Supra. And I want to ask something, guys. What's better, to see how I'm rebuilding the car, I mean inside everything, or much better if I will sit inside and I will drive the car? What's better? I think much better. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Again, I think much better if I will show you how is the look like in the stock one. And now, I will show you how is the look like in the stock one. How is the feeling? How the sounds is hearing, and then I will check for the another one, not the stock one. So as you can see, is a Toyota Supra. I think, guys, we will do like this. The first I show you how am I doing inside the customs with myself. Now I will show you the car without stock. The second one I will show you the car without stock and with the stock. How is the sounds is look like, how the speed is feeling, and everything. If you're gonna like it, just write in the comments everything what you're feeling. Feel free to write it, to mention to me that what is feeling more comfortable. There is a third car also, Mazda RX-8. This one I think we will use also for the speed. And you guys gonna tell me what's more comfortable for you. Now, this car is without any stock, anything, just only stock. Just came from the factory. And we will do some things and I will come back again. Guys, you know what I found now when I was doing it? Just listen, guys. Just listen. It feels like, that you're running for somewhere, and you're going to be late, and you're turning on your car, and then this sound is coming. And then from other side there is your wife is coming and saying, no, you're coming or not, and then you're like, Oh yeah. Okay. That's perfect. You know what I heard, the guys, what I understand when I was doing the customize. Again, the sound. What I understand it, if you putting some items, the sounds gonna be different, and also the other sounds, because this sound I heard from first time when I was like putting it. Other cars, I have a lot of cars. If I will even show you how many cars I have, totally 103 cars I have. All the cars I made it by myself to feel comfortable when I'm driving the car. I didn't heard that sound. First time I'm hearing this sound, just because of the car, I think. But I made it. This car is really fun. It's really fast cars. It's really fast car. It's even difficult to control it. So now that's the second car, and I will show you the third car, but I will drive this car. I will make it in sprint on the race, and I think I will do this on the drag racing to show you guys how it feels. But it's really fast car. It's really fast car. Just let me get into the home with the room. But this sound, it's really perfect. Now this is the second car. Now this the second car, and the third one I will. Now I arrived to the drag racing in next car, Mazda RX-8. Let's try this car. In the stock one, without anything, in the stock one. But this car is the lowest. I don't know why, not Toyota Supra, not other car. This one is the lowest one for me. As you can see, guys, there is a lot of cars in the drag racing without any customizing things. But oh, this one is going fast, really. We are already the first one. We are keeping, guys. We are keeping it. Let's do maximum this car. Let's do maximum. 190, 200, almost 200. Yes, 200. The first one. Yeah. That's why I love this car. Even how the cars look like, even without any items, anything, just the stock one. As you can see, the lowest one, 614. The highest one, 635. Yes, 635. Now the other one with this, not without stock. Now I customize this car, so we're gonna make it an A again, but with the customized car only. So we're gonna feel the difference between the stock one and the customized one in the racing. Let's get straight to it. So as you can see, guys, it's drag racing. As you can see, guys, we are again made the perfect decision, but already 200. Can we make until 300? 300? But we are all far, really big far. No, 300 we can. Perfect. Perfect. as you can see, again, no, mine, not the last one. The last one is Subaru BRS 824, and the latest one is 229. We are in the middle between 829 and 820, like in the middle, yeah. So guys, if you want to see how I'm rebuilding this legendary car, or even better, how I'm making the legendary racing between Ford Mustang GTR of Razer and this car, you know what to do, guys. Just subscribe me, like and comments. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. And for you, I want to show something more. That's what I was talking to you guys. You know from where this car, right? Fast and Furious. If you want to see how I'm rebuilding these cars, how I'm using this on the racings, just let me know, guys. Just let me know. And again, thank you for watching this video. Wish you a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thank you so much, guys.